A class action lawsuit is filed against Silicon Valley Bank's parent company. That's one of the banks that collapsed over the weekend. Now the Justice Department and the Securities and Exchange Commission are in the early stages of investigations of the collapse. New Labor Department figures show inflation at a largely expected 6%, days before the Federal Reserve considers another interest rate hike to cool inflation. ABC's Justin Finch has more.
From the West Coast to the White House, some relief now that depositors at regional institutions, Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, are no longer locked out of their accounts.
Learned my lesson, and we're not going to put the money all in one place like I did here, so I'm going to spread it around.
Financial regulators stepping in over the weekend to guarantee account holders at both banks would have full access to their money. President Biden underscoring U.S. banks, not taxpayers, are covering the losses.
The money will come from the fees that banks pay into the Deposit Insurance Fund.
In Washington, the Justice Department and Securities and Exchange Commission are each investigating Silicon Valley Bank's collapse, a typical next step after large companies or banks go under. Both the DOJ and SEC declined to comment. Regional bank stocks saw large sell-offs on Wall Street Monday. Today, signs of relief.
I think it's going to take a while for Wall Street to process all of this.
The Federal Reserve, preparing for its next meeting on interest rates, now is expected to consider the SVB and Signature Bank fallout and new consumer price index data, measuring how much Americans pay for goods and services, now showing inflation at 6%, down from 6.4% in January.
The Fed now has to really rethink how much more aggressive do they want to get with interest rates. I mean, if they stop raising interest rates now, does that mean inflation will start to pick up?
And a final decision from the Federal Reserve on interest rates is due out next Wednesday. Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.